Get some coins. What you gonna do with the coin? Either you go out, people them will struggle with negative energy, people them will struggle with money issue, the people them will struggle.
Yes, my people, you know great Venezuela entertainment. I don't know whether you're with another one again. Out of this, out of that. Spiritual healer, man. That's what I say. So, I want the people them to do, man. Go so, bam. Go over to my channel, be a member. Be a member of the channel. That's what I say. Yeah, man, you have 2 tiers. So right now, you don't have 2 tiers. So, think of tier 2 and tier 3. Yes, what I say. So, people that can cause some exclusive content. I go over there so we only channel member I go can see. That's what I say. Yeah, man. So I go drop one of the exclusive. Some over there already, you know, but today I drop a exclusive content, must watch content. We're over there so alone you can get the content there. That's what I say. So when I don't know anything, you know, great Venezuela entertainment that go on the best stuff them phone, you know. So go over my channel. Be a member of the channel and let's move on, okay? I'm out.
Purity use it to cut all obstacles.
People struggle in a life with whichever situation it is. You can break the chain. You can break from the shackles that people have you under. People will struggle with negative energy. People will struggle with money issue. The people will struggle with relationship issue, anything at all which is bothering you and stopping you from excel in life. Get a bottle of water. Yeah? Get a bottle of water. And read Psalm 8 and Psalm 23 over the bottle of water. 7 days straight. And at the 8th day, drink the bottle of water there and tell me, say, and from there on, things will start flow for you. Tell me, say, things will start go back together for you. Water is purity. And once there is purity, there cannot be negative energy. It's simple as that. Mr. Fortune here, people who need spiritual help, but they have help and reach out to me.
Open up your financial path now using coins.
Finance, stop sit down and cry. Your money stuck up on it now flow. It's simple as this. Get some coins. Get some coins. What you gonna do with the coin? Either you go out and see and throw them in there. Talk to the sea where you want and watch it come true, watch it manifest. Or go out and busy 4-way and drop the coin them there and don't look back. It's a fortune here to help you. Break free from financial struggles. We were born to rich. We were born to happy. We were born not to suffer. So if you find yourself unhappy, find yourself poor, all we not go rich still in about, we sure so we never born to suffer. Not for the cause how we are suffer. It's not because we're destined to suffer. And the energy where people put power more time. And we're so blind to it where we don't even know or realize say energy the power. You know when we know? When everything gone down a hill. So cut and clear yourself from blockage. Make yourself a money magnet, get some coins and drop them off 4-way or drop them in the sea. Remember, the sea is richer than the land. Mr. Fortune here, may I help you, know.
Sandal with incense is good to clear negative energy.
Yeah? Powerful incense I'm comfortable. Sandalwood. Good to clear your space and rid it of negative energy. Yeah man, so people them a struggle with things used to want for on it now. Go on again. Burn sandal with incense. You can also mix it with the cinnamon incense to bring in money and wealth in your business place or in your life. As I say, we were born not to suffer. We were all born to live happy and free. Yes. So you find yourself stuck for quite a time now and now move. You need to clear your space. You need to cut yourself. Cut and clear yourself from all obstacles that's bothering you. You need to cut and clear from negative energy. So the incense is very powerful and effective. Yeah man. So Get your sandalwood incense at any spiritual store.